Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I love Tip Tuesday. It's so fabulous. I just love all of these tips that come from this community. You guys are so great, so thank you so much for sharing. If you're just popping by for the first time, my name is Krista and this is A Secret Yarnery. This channel is all about crochet and crochet related goodness. We do tutorials, live chats, crochet alongs, and yarny goodness all through the week. So if any of that is of interest to you, consider hitting, where is it? There it is, the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside that so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Today's Tip Tuesday, so fabulous. What do you think you'd be doing with this old kitchen scale? Well, a great idea. You can start just weighing your yarn. I guess I could wind that up a bit. Good lordy. You can weigh your yarn just to make sure 100 grams is 100 grams. Why you want to use a baking scale is just for the decimals, because you don't want to do like on a bathroom scale. You want like some decimals, so kitchen scales work really great. You can also just put like a big bowl on the top or a bucket and zero it out and then put all of your yarn into the bucket to get how much yarn you start out with. And just kind of calculate just to make sure that what they say 100 grams is 100 grams, because you just never know if it's a bit over, a bit under, just for your own mental calculations. And then when you have your finished object, you can put it in the same bucket or something. You want to kind of make sure it's all on the scale bit, not draping over the edge, in some sort of cool little bucket, and weigh it again to find out how much yarn you've used. Then you could just use an easy calculation to figure out your exact yardage, add a smudge for ends if you want to do something like that, and then you totally know how much yarn you used for your project. What? Kitchen scale. How is that for a hot tip Tuesday, right? I'm totally excited. I have to get new batteries for mine. I'm super bummed out, but I'm gonna get new batteries for mine. And maybe even like a really cute clear plastic basin to sit on the top, like a clear plastic, like something lightweight. So not one of my glass bowls, but like a nice clear plastic something to sit on the top so I can put all of my yarn and whips inside and see how much they all weigh. How fun is that, right? So what's your tip of the week? What's your tip Tuesday? Love to hear your top tip for crochet in the comments down below. And thanks so much for inviting me over. We'll see you in the next video and stay hooked. That was a fast one, right? Nailed it. Nailed it. I need batteries. Who remembers to buy batteries? And they're those silly kinds, these ones. Of course I can reach everything. Those little guys. Yeah, I don't remember to buy them. They're at my grocery store. I just gotta log it into the noggin to pick them up. Anyway, have a great day.